In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shipping address on Depop. If you need to update where your order will be sent, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make sure your shipping details are correct before completing your purchase. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device and then go to depop.com. Once the website loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, since your saved addresses and shopping activity will be tied to that profile. After logging in, add an item to your bag and continue to the checkout page. You'll need to be on the checkout screen to access the shipping information for your order. If you're not ready to buy anything yet, just keep in mind that the address section becomes available during checkout, so that's where you'll need to go to make the update. On the checkout screen, look for the section labeled Ship To. This is the area that shows the delivery address currently connected to your order. Take a moment to review what's there, especially if you've moved recently or noticed an old address still saved on your account. Next, click Edit or Add Address depending on what appears on your screen. If you already have a saved address, you'll likely see the option to edit it. If no address has been added yet, you may instead see the option to add a new one. Both options take you to the same place, the form where you can enter your shipping details. Now type in your correct shipping information carefully. This usually includes your street address, city, state, or region, postal code, and any other required delivery details. Be sure to double check everything before moving on. Even a small typo can cause delays or delivery issues, so it's worth taking an extra few seconds here to make sure the address is complete and accurate. Once everything looks right, click Save to update your address. After saving, the new shipping details should appear in the Ship To section on the checkout page. Before placing your order, it's a good idea to confirm that the updated address is showing correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your shipping address on Depop. If this is part of a purchase you're making right now, you can continue through checkout with more confidence, knowing your item is set to be sent to the right place.